Today, I'm going to show you how to fully rebuild your bike engine from start to finish. Whether you're a seasoned biker or just starting out, this guide's got you covered. First things first, safety's key. Make sure you have all your protective gear on, gloves, goggles, and a well-ventilated workspace. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. All right, let's dive in. Start by draining the oil. Remove the drain plug and let it flow into a pan. While that's happening, go ahead and disconnect the battery. Safety first, folks. Next, remove the fuel tank. It's usually held by a couple of bolts. Just be careful not to spill any fuel. Now it's time to take off the exhaust system. This might require some elbow grease, so be prepared. Now, let's get to the heart of it, the engine. Start by removing the cylinder head. You'll need a socket wrench for this. Once that's off, you can take out the cylinder. Inspect it for any wear and tear. The piston comes next. Carefully remove it and check the rings. If they're worn, replace them. Now's a good time to clean the piston too. A clean piston means a smoother ride. Now let's move to the crankshaft. Remove the side covers and take out the crankshaft. Inspect the bearings and replace them if needed. A faulty bearing can cause a lot of issues down the line. Reassembly time. Start by putting the crankshaft back in. Then reinsert the piston and cylinder. Make sure everything's aligned properly. Reattach the cylinder head and torque it down to spec. Reconnect the exhaust system and fuel tank. Don't forget to refill the oil and reconnect the battery. Double check everything to make sure it's all secure. And there you have it. Your bike engine is fully rebuilt and ready to roar. Take it for a test ride and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more bike tips. Thanks for watching.